In these videos, you will learn English by looking at real-life pictures. We describe what's happening in each image, using simple words and clear sentences. This helps you build useful vocabulary and understand natural English. You will also learn how to talk about everyday situations with confidence. Along the way, we include basic grammar tips and common sentence patterns. Everything is spoken slowly and clearly, so it's easy to follow and repeat. This way, you can practice speaking, listening, and thinking in English, step by step. After listening to the text, we would like to hear from you. How would you describe this picture in your own words? Share your ideas in the comments and practice writing in English. Let's get started.
This picture shows a quiet street in a small European town. The sky is blue with some white clouds, and the sun is shining. The buildings are old and beautiful, with wooden beams on the walls. Some buildings are painted yellow, while others have green and white designs. There are many windows, some with flower boxes. The houses are tall and close together. In front of the buildings, there is a small open space. There are many wooden tables and chairs outside, like a cafe or restaurant. Some people are sitting at the tables, enjoying food or drinks. There are colorful umbrellas giving shade over the tables. There are small trees and plants in big square pots along the street. On the right side, there is a red and white restaurant or shop on the corner. Several cars are parked along the road next to it. There are street signs, one of them says no entry, and another says accept bicycles. There is also a small sign showing this area is for pedestrians. The road in the front is clean and empty. In the background, we can see more narrow streets and more old buildings. This looks like a peaceful place to walk, relax, and enjoy the day. The whole area feels quiet and friendly, with a mix of history and everyday life. It could be a popular spot for visitors and locals to sit outside and enjoy the weather.